Alamin naman natin ang mga naging kaganapan sa kauna-unahang paglulunsad ng 2025 Pickleball Intercollegiate League sa Las Piñas. Para sa detalye, narito ang report ni Paulo Salamati.
Isa ang pickleball sa mga may tuturing na fast-growing sport di lamang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. Kung kaya't nitong weekend, sa kabila ng mga bilang ng pickleball tournament sa Pilipinas, ginanap ang kauna-unahang 2025 Pickleball Intercollegiate League Pilipinas sa Quantum Clubhouse Alabang sa Las Piñas City. Nilahukan ito ng kabuang 10 mga ilang kilalang universities and colleges mula Ateneo de Manila University, University of Santo Tomas, De La Salle University, University of the Philippines, College of St. Benilde, Lyceum of the Philippines at National University. At sa naganap na isang buong araw na tanghalan, gumawa ng kasaysayan ng NU Pickleball Team bilang champion ng nasabing torneo.
Sobrang overwhelming po ngayon kasi parang first pickleball tournament namin tapos nanalo pa kami. Kaya siguro parang sabi nga nila na parang bonus na lang din po kasi gusto namin yung ginagawa namin. Parang, ayun po.
Present din sa Pickleball Intercollegiate League sa Philippine junior tennis athlete na si Gabby Zoleta na nakiisa sa mga palaro sa ilalim ng College of St. Benilde.
It's actually really exciting because I'm also looking forward to see pickleball in NCAA and UAP. So yeah, I think this is a great start for college pickleball here in the Philippines.
Ikinatuwa naman ng mga organizers and officials ang matagumpay na paglulunsad ng nasabing torneo na naglalayong palaguin pang sport sa Pilipinas at sa Assam na maipasok ang sport sa UAAP at NCAA balang araw.
Yes, sobrang happy ako kasi nag-enjoy lahat ng mga participant namin and I think na cater namin yung expectations nila eh.
Very, very happy and excited because of the seeing the youth really participate in pickleball. When it started, people thought it was really for seniors and old people, but now we're seeing young talent coming in and joining the sport, making it really fast and exciting and really proving that it's for all ages, yung pickleball. It's not just for a certain age group, it's very broad for any age.
It's a really good challenge for the regular sports in the competitive scene here in the Philippines. So, and these athletes are young, diba? So, you can actually see that it's a long-term sport and, here at Quantum, we're just happy to be part of the growth or be maybe the pioneer location for the growth.
Sa ngayon, inaasahan namang mas lalaki pa ang bilang ng mga kalahok sa Intercollegiate League sa susunod na taon. Paulo Salamatin para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.